Hey guys, Lilia, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to use this makeup maker Stay Put eyeshadow primer, this one here. So after that, then I'm going straight to this Huda Beauty palette. I think I'm going to use this cocoa as my transition color. Cocoa one here, cocoa. Then I'm going to use this Zuva soft definer brush, number 227. So I'm going to take my line here. In and out, in and out. Man eater, this light. Okay, on the other side, same. This one here. And then I'm going to put this in the corner of my eyes. I do like that, like that. I'm taking the same brush I used with the pink one. I'm using that one. I don't go all the way, but halfway. You have to be careful with the black color when you blend. You take your time. I'm going to take the Zuva brush 227, and then I'm going to bring like everything that we applied. This NYX eyeshadow base, I'm going to use a Morphe brush. So I'm going to do like cut crease. I don't know how to do cut crease, but I'm going to try. I'm doing the cut crease for beginners, not like for pro. Because I don't know. So I don't pretend like. I'm going to start with this flame. I'm going to use my finger to apply my eyeshadow. Flame. I think I'm going to mix this flame with rose gold. Yeah, this gold has a lot of shimmer. Okay. This look cute. I'm going to use this brush here to pick that rose gold, so I can apply the place that I didn't go with the finger. I couldn't go with the finger. I'm taking this one, the one we apply with the black, put here, so we can like make the crease here to pop. So long mascara from Makeup Maker, eyeliner pencil in the color black. I'm going to put on waterline. I'm going to use the same color that we use on our palette. So I'm going to start with the same cocoa. I'm going to use this small brush here. So, and then we take the pink color, Man Eater. Then we take the black one. going to apply my lashes. I'm going to finish the rest of the face, and then I'll be back. Yes guys, yeah, so this is the finished look. Like, so I had like to finish the rest of my face off camera because today I wanted like to focus on the eyes. So as you can see, so on the corner of my eyes I applied this pink diamond, which this one. Then for the lip I used the chestnut, and then I have this nude from Makeup Maker, this collection. They have like 5 lipstick. I bought all of them, so if you want like for me to do video on like to swatch all the lip or the lipstick that I bought, I can do the video if you want. So this nude collection from Makeup Maker, and then I mix chestnut from MAC, and then this pralina from NYX. So that was for the lip. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I appreciate to take these minutes and watch my videos.